Hi guys, it's Shell, Sunbury Housewives. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to our channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit the subscribe button to see future videos. So today I am showing you something so exciting that I just recently got. So I'm going to go ahead and sublimate a customer's tumbler and show you a new product that I just got that has changed the game for me for sublimating. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap my print around the tumbler like I normally do, starting out with my heat tape, putting it down on my sublimation paper like I normally do. I just take a long piece of tape, take it down to one edge. I've already cut down my paper to the size that I need it, and I take it all the way down to the one side so I could adhere it to the one side of my tumbler, and then I lay it on my tumbler and wrap it all the way around. I ran out of heat tape, so I had to switch. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap the heat tape all the way around the top of the rim, just to make sure that that sublimation paper is nice and tight all the way around the top so that I don't get any ghosting. And then once that's done, I flip it over and do the same at the bottom. Now this product that I got it off of Amazon. I had been seeing it around. I haven't seen any tutorials on it, which is kind of surprising, but I just happened to see it on Amazon, and I had to jump all over it because this product saves me so much tape. So once I get that done, normally I take painter's tape and just wrap it all the way around the tumbler. No more will I have to do that. Instead, I just take a piece of just copy paper and wrap it around the tumbler, as you see me doing here, and I just line it up at the top and wrap it around, and then I'll adhere it with a couple more pieces of tape in just a couple spots. And then I do make sure that I tape a good amount on the bottom, and you'll see why here in just a little bit. So I found these silicone sleeves and it just slips right down on your tumbler. This isn't the best angle, but I do fix that here in just a second. So you just slide it down. I tried to pound it first. Yeah, I'm an idiot. But you're supposed to turn it over, and I forgot here. But there I go. You just slide it down in, and it slides right in. And the reason I wanted to tape the bottom good is so that the paper didn't slide off. Because the first time I tried it, my paper bunched up and it was a hot mess. But you just slide it right in, and it gives this nice tight hold when you go to sublimate it. It doesn't fit all the way to the top, and I do slide it down just a little bit so I could tape a little bit more up at the rim so that I make sure that there's a good heat pressure all the way around the rim. So this pack that I got off of Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description box below, was for a 20 ounce and a 30 ounce. So I go ahead and I'm going to pop this into my convection oven, and I put it on for 400 degrees, and I do 2.5 minutes, rotate it, and then another 2.5 minutes. Once it's done, I just slide it right out, and then I slide out the paper, and then remove my image from my tumbler, and you're going to see how beautiful this turned out. There was zero ghosting, zero problems at all. This has been a complete game changer. I do not think I'll ever go back to using painter's tape. If you sublimate and have not tried these, I highly suggest it. Look how absolutely beautiful this tumbler turned out. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please check out the description box below. If you want your own sublimated tumbler, my website will be listed in the description box below. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.